Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. And today's video is day 3 of vlogmas. So if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So as well as day 3, this is also for a YouTube collab called hashtag unicornglamsquad. I'm the host of this collab, and every week in December we're going to be doing a Christmas theme makeup look, and we're going to have a blast doing it. So I hope y'all do enjoy this collab. I will make sure to link all the ladies down below that's in this collab. They're at to their channel and they're linked to their video, so you can go check them out and show some love. So this week's theme was candy cane, so I decided to do a pink version of it because I love pink so much. And I did a little heart candy cane on my eye, and did pink eyeshadow, pink blush, pink highlighter, and that's what I did. It's really cute. Because I haven't done a other version, I always do red and white, like the traditional candy cane. So I decided to switch it up a little bit and do this creative inspired look. A little bit different take on candy cane for me. So I didn't get inspired by anybody. I just want to do this take, a pink version. So this is what I came up with. So let me know what you think. And again, I will link the ladies that's in this collab. I'm the host of this collab. We're going to post every Wednesday during the week of December. So please do come back each week to see it, or just come back each day to see all the other collabs. So I don't know how many people are joining this week, so make sure you do check out the description. If I haven't got everybody's links yet, just stay tuned somewhat to the end of the day, and I should get everybody's links. I'll try to keep it updated for y'all. So now let's talk about what makeup I used. So we're going to talk about what makeup I used. So the first palette I used is the only palette I used for this whole look is the Pink Religion palette by Jeffree Star. Looks like this. This is one of my favorite pink palettes that I own. Let's see if I can hold it up with one hand. Here is the color story of them. So the shades I used is Sugar Savior, Saint, Star, Frosting Coat, and Princess Crown, which is the top 3, and then the one at the end of the second row. So what I did is I used Sugar Savior, which is that dark pink in the crease, and blended out some. To help blend out that shade, I used Saint Star, and then I did use a clean brush at the end to blend out the edges of my eye look. Then on my lid, I used Frosting Coat and a little bit of Princess Crown on top of that to create this shimmer look. And I also used Princess Crown in my inner corner under my brow bone. Then I went in with Sugar Savior and a little touch of Saint Star to blend it out, but I did that under my eye. So that's all I used for this eye look. Let me know what you think down below. I really love Jeffree's shimmers, and his palettes are really good and really pretty. I just want to do a little bit more shimmery because it makes it like a little bit magical looking, and I really like that. So that's all I did for the eye look. And then I went in with the Wet n Wild face paint. It's the white one for the candy cane base. I did set that with the Pure Cosmetic setting powder, which I only have a little bit left of this. I need to get some more powder soon because I'm almost running out. And then I did use Sugar Savior for the lines on the heart. It's really cute how it turned out. Let me know what you think. And for mascara, I forgot to mention, I used the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. For my mascara, I did 2 coats of it. Here's what it looks like on the lashes. So pretty. Then for my lips, I used a new one in my collection. It's the Lovecraft Beauty lip gloss and romance or romantic. I meant. It's a long-lasting, non-sticky lip gloss that delivers a high shine and dazzling sheen. There's the color. It's really pretty. Here's what it looks like on the lips. This is one of my new ones in my collection that I wanted a giveaway. And I really like their lip glosses. They're non-sticky. They're cute touch of color. So pretty. I really like it. Then to set my face, I used a Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. It looks like this. Now this does have like a little bit of a peppermint scent, but it doesn't really last that long. But I really love this stuff to set my face, so I did set it with that. I will make sure to link everything down below I talked about. They're just links to get there, no affiliate links or anything. If I do have a affiliate link, it'll be down below at the bottom with the link. No, it's going to be down below at the bottom in a link tree for y'all. So if y'all do use that, my links, any of them, it really does help out the channel. All my affiliate links that you do use will go towards my channel for anything like new makeup and all that stuff. So if you do want to help support the channel, please do use those affiliate links and codes. I'll also link my Amazon storefront if I have room. If I don't, just check out that link tree. It's linked there as well. Sometimes I run out of room with all the makeup I used. So now let's talk about what I'm wearing today. So what I'm wearing today is my hair in pigtails. I use some pink hair bows. I use these clips because I didn't have no candy cane. I have one candy cane clip, but I didn't have two, so I just decided to wear these sparkly pink ones in my collection. Then I'm wearing these PJs, and that's your heart PJs, and I think they're really cute. I really love these. I think these came from Walmart, but they're little fuzzy ones. If I can find them on Walmart, I'll link them on my storefront for y'all. I am a creator for Walmart, so if you do want to help me use that, shop through that link. It really help out a lot if I can find it. But these are really soft. They're really good for the winter time, and they're pink and white, so I thought it'd be good for this look. And it's been cold, so I did not want to change out of these. So that is what I'm wearing. Again, if I can find the PJs, I'll link them. There will also be a affiliate link as well, so I'll put in the parentheses this is an affiliate link. If you don't want to use that at checkout, just let me know in the comments, and I'll just give you the name of the PJs if you don't want to use that link. But I'm gonna have a affiliate link down there, so you can use that at checkout. Because I really am new to the Walmart Creator Program, and I was so excited when they accepted me. So any Walmart items I do have, I will try to give y'all the affiliate links for, or the link to my shop, because I do have a storefront kind of like Amazon, but it's for Walmart, and you can shop through some of my favorites that I found on Walmart. So that's it for what I'm wearing today, and that'll be it for today's video. So if you got this far in the video and you enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you love eating candy canes for the Christmas season, and let me know what flavor you like. Do you like the traditional ones or you like the fun flavor candy canes? And you'll be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see what shout in the previous video up on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers, so please do go check them out and show them some love. I started doing this on my channel to say thank you to all the unicorns who do watch my videos in full and show me some love. I really do appreciate it, and it's a way for you unicorns to know so on the family. So again, if you do want to be shout out, answer that question. If you don't want to answer the question, just say you watched in full, and you'll also be shouted in the next video also uploaded on my channel. So I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for Vlogmas just in case you want to catch up on the series. I'm filming every day in December, so please come back and check out the playlist so you don't miss any of the days. And I'll also link the playlist for YouTube collabs just in case you want to watch past these collabs or any other collabs on my channel. You can check out that playlist. For this collab, we post every Wednesday, anytime, and we're doing Christmas theme look. So if you do want to join in this collab, please DM me on their Instagram, and I'll add you to the Instagram group. I'm the host of this collab, and I have a blast doing it. We already have the list made for December, so I would recommend you to join in now when you're watching this collab so you don't miss the other days. And if you want to join in this collab late, you can. I'll add you to the description afterwards if you do post late for this collab. And we have a blast on it. All you have to do for this collab is send your link on Wednesday and send your picture as well. And then on the day of Wednesday, I usually make the collage and stuff for y'all. So y'all have it. And then all you have to do is when you post your video, put the links of everybody's link and their add to their channel. Make sure you put the hashtag unicornglamsquad in your title so everybody knows you're part of this collab. And we welcome anybody that wants to join in. And also, check out my merch shop if you don't want to get some merch designs for Christmas time. I have a cute design on there for Christmas time and other designs for the channel. So if you don't help support my channel, please shop through my merch shop. I don't know if the Cyber Monday sale is still going on. I forgot to announce it because I was very busy. But when you're watching this, please check back merch shop. I think it's a couple days after the merch sale. I mean, this Cyber Monday sale will be going on. I don't know how many days it's going to be, but my my shop did have a Cyber Monday sale, so you know. And I think that is it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my candy cane inspired makeup look, but pink version. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Also, let me know in the comments if you are enjoying vlogmas so far, and if you're excited about this series as much as I am. Let me know. I love to know your thoughts and read your comments coming back, so please do share in the comments. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our Unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.